Everybody, it's me. I'm here with the doctor.
Hello, bitches.
AKA Christy.
What?
So I started with Claire's pink and I put some bling.
Oh, it's bling-alicious.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. I got them on eBay. They are pink backed crystal, 2mm right there. So there's that. Okay, now I'm gonna do line work and black floral. Okay, come here.
Boop, boop.
So it's pink and black, right? But I'm gonna do it in the black, watch, where I just draw it like this. And then I'm gonna draw, and I'm just going to make a design that is filigree, pink, and black. It's gonna be like simple, but difficult if you guys don't know how to do filigree. So I'm gonna try and describe it. You want to push your brush, and then pull it up. It is all in the brush. And then with the tip of my brush, flat up and down, then it acts as the liner, like where you draw. You don't really push. Like that.
That's pretty.
It's gonna be so cute when it's done. I see it in my head. Okay, so I'm gonna go down and then round. I've never heard us both so quiet. You should tell a story while I do this. I was really thinking about that because we tell all the good stories off camera. And we should do more.
Well, I took a trip out of town to surprise my friend.
And how'd it go?
Well, it went really well. I was surprised as many people knew that they kept it such a secret.
Oh,
And
it was a surprise?
Yeah, it was a total surprise. And they were very excited to
Awesome.
see me.
Perfect. That's exactly what you needed.
Yes. It was very fun.
Awesome. My dog just is here with a cold.
Yes,
That's all we
he's
know.
been so sad.
Yeah.
But
He's
he
just
gave
a
me
weirdo.
loves. He gave me
He
loves.
loves you. Okay, so for this one, I think I'm going to, okay, so here we go. So I have my black polish out. I'm gonna go down like this. Just to break up the black. Like that. Okay. And then I will go and just do some wireframe, yes.
Freeze frame.
Dun 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 dun.
Freeze frame.
Freeze
Frame.
dun 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 dun.
You know, it's a good thing that guy could sing because, ooh,
I don't remember him.
Jay Giles?
I don't remember what he looked like.
Oh,
Duh.
he's really skinny and kind of,
The opposite of what you like.
right?
That's to somebody else, somebody's masterpiece.
Yes, he's him and Rick Ocasek kind of look alike in a
Oh.
weird sort of way.
I loved Rick Ocasek. I know.
Mm.
There it is.
Good thing he could sing too.
Who's gonna drive you home tonight? Oh my god, I drove your ass home. That's what.
When I was a disco ball.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, there's this. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, so there's that. Okay, where it touches the cuticle, just take the tip of your liner brush, go around the cuticle area. All right. See, so now when you hold back, oops, like that. I'm gonna leave it kind of like this, but then I'm gonna go in and take my brush, do a stripe of bling right here. Come on, Rob. Oh, I got bling all over. I don't like to do bling on camera. It takes forever, and you get it.
Bling on film.
Okay.
Oh, God.
Oh. Bling on film. It's real hard, baby.
Bling on film.
I cannot do it.
Bling on.
I try it all the time.
Bling on Phil.
I go out of frame.
Bling on Phil.
Okay, so there's this. Oh gosh, dang it. See, it just doesn't work bling on film for me. Okay, there's that. I'm gonna finish this up, but you know what I'm cooking with. Bam. Okay, now I have some, this is textile medium, and I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of silver chrome, but I'm just gonna make it a wash. It's just gonna be a little bit. Now, okay. Sorry, Carl.
Carl's
freaked out my dog.
I was worried about you.
So, okay, here we go. Now, I'm just gonna touch into the chrome. Here, and it's gonna turn it into the design. So, you can do it as many ways as you want to, and you can mess it up a ton of different ways as well, and then you can just fix it with chrome, and it just looks really cute. It's all yours, and once you learn how to do this, nobody can take it from you, and you can, like, oh my gosh, do so much. This would be beautiful just on black. It would be...
There's so much that is beautiful just on black.
Yeah. Oh, shut up. Oh my goodness. She gets me when I'm in thought. Smack. Busted. You goofball. Okay, now I can't concentrate. Okay, so here's this. What?
Google goes, okay, now, here you go.
Okay, Google. Search 90-Day Fiance. I'm messing with her phone.
Where is my 90-Day Fiance?
Searching now. Oh, wouldn't that be funny if one came up?
Yeah.
Hello, darling. Why you crying? I'll meet you back. Okay, now here is the end result. Oh my gosh, they are so pretty. And I'm going to try and get them. Oh my gosh, Kristen.
I love them.
They are pretty. They do look like cotton candy prettiness.
Yes, they do.
Oh, they're just darling. So here's with light. Here's with light, kinda. Okay, now let me zoom in. There they are. And really the colors and combination are endless. If you guys want to see me do one special, just request it. Oh, wrong finger. I'm like, your thumbs are different size. I don't know. Okay, so here's with some light on them. Okay, so we're gonna do it again. Show you guys. Messing around, you guys. Don't. It's late and we're goofy, so don't take us too seriously. But don't take yourselves too seriously, because this is supposed to be fun for you guys. You are the worst poser ever.
I am.
Oh my gosh! Can you please pose for me in this? No, you look here.
Oh.
She posed her face. Will you please pose? So, yeah, just nice and slowly go through there and kind of show them like this around so you can see in them. And if she does a bad job at it, please tell me. Just kidding.
Yeah, I do. I'm not a very good poser.
Yeah, no, you're not. You know who is Nameless? I swear, she's so good. I don't even have to film it. She does.
Oh, yeah.
Well, she's great. I would be bad like you. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. You guys try them and show me. Hashtag inspired by Robin Moses. Get brushes. RobinMosesNailart.com. Join us. Have fun. Don't be afraid. If you're a beginner, we all start at the beginning. And it really is just a journey for all of us. So just have fun with it. I'm just here to have fun with you guys.
Me too.
Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Let me zoom out. It shows the pink better. They don't look so neon pink when the lights are all over them, but they're neon pink and black with silver. They're amazing. Okay, you guys, have a great day. Bye.
Good evening.
Oh, bye.